Meaning of drag lift.
Drag lift.
Drag lift.
Drag lift.
Drag lift. Drag lift, also known as surface lift, is a type of ski lift that pulls skiers and snowboarders up slopes while they are facing forward. This type of lift operates by using a cable system with grips or hooks that attach to the skier's equipment. As the cable pulls the skier along, their skis remain on the ground, enabling them to be transported uphill. Drag lifts are commonly used in beginner and intermediate ski resorts due to their affordability and ease of use. However, they may not be suitable for advanced skiers who require faster and more efficient lifts.